Okay, let's make a commercial for Nike shoe for men, right? Then what we basically need for this commercial is our chat GPT, then Google VEO3 access. In my own case, I'm using Google Gemini, right? Then I'll now, first of all, I'm going to show you my prompt template. This is basically an exclusive template have been using for my commercials for years now, and I've been updating it as with a code, right? Then if you come over here, basically you can see that this is 5 JSON prompt template for Google VEO3 image to video generations. How these things work is that most times for us to start asking ChatGPT, please give us a commercial prompt for our ads in this, then to start giving ChatGPT details is going to be difficult for us most times, right? Then I basically compile this particular template, which is this is what we basically need in every of our commercials: the camera rolling, the camera angle, the cinematic assembly, the unboxing experience, the CUG. I have basically compiled it as I've tested these things. What you need is this: copy this particular template, paste it in your ChatGPT, replace where I wrote product name, replace it with your product name, and ChatGPT is going to analyze all those things I've given you with all those camera angles and all of those things, and what with that product you added, and give you the proper prompt for your commercials, right? Then this one is basically for video to image generations. If you want to do a video to image generations, you can basically use this, right? Then if you are using this bar, you can see where it is written food craving ads. Then copy it from this place. They said generate full video. Let me highlight it and show you. This generate full video VEO3 prompt based on this my product image, which means in this case you are going to copy it together with your product image, right? And give ChatGPT. Let me show you how these things work. If I copy it from here, I'll basically go to my this is my ChatGPT, right? If I go to this place, I will now paste this. If I remember, I extra copied these things. If you actually observed very well, I copied more than what I'm supposed to copy. Then I'll now come over here, this place they wrote plus, then add my product. Understand? Go to that place, that particular product I snapped. If this is my product, I will now add it to this ChatGPT. Understand? Once I add it here, ChatGPT will analyze this particular image I added. This is basically Lamborghini, right? Yellow. Then I will analyze this particular image with this my prompt. You can see the two of them are together, and I'll now click it. It will go, right? It will basically analyze these things and give me a particular prompt for this. This is what a breathtaking cinematic showcase of a luxury gold Lamborghini. Okay, then how did ChatGPT know that this is a gold Lamborghini if it did not analyze both the picture and that prompt? Is a gold Lamborghini, which means if I copy this thing now basically here and go to my ChatGPT and my Gemini, is going to give me a good commercial for a gold Lamborghini. Understand? Are you seeing how this thing is working now? So basically, this basically turns the original food cinematic blah blah blah. What this prompt does, then this into a luxury automatic cinematic prompt. Focus on gold Lamborghini aesthetics. Uses cinematic studio lighting, motion and engine sound theme, right? But in this particular template now, I'm not basically going to use this, right? What I wanted to do is for us to create a Nike shoe or anything basically, but you can use this thing to create anything. I'm still showing you. Let me go back. If I go back to this, I can basically use any product. If it's food, ChatGPT is going to understand that this is a food and give you commercial based on that your food, right? Then this is unboxing experience, blah blah blah. This is UGC ads, right? If you want to perform a UGC ads with an image, you copy this one. If you want to use an unboxing experience, you can copy this. You unbox the experience for that particular image. If you want to use unbox products demo ads, want to use foodie craving ads, want to use this movie style and product ad, this is a movie style. Understand? You can go basically copy this. Then let me show you another one still. If I go back to this place, this one is master VEO3. Then this one is basically text to video. The other one I show you is image to video. If you want to combine your image and video for a good commercials, right? If that your particular image is not basically on Google, that which Google knows that particular product, such as maybe Navy, this and Lamborghini and with any other product, right? Because if I say yellow Lamborghini, then ChatGPT is going to give me, now it already knows what Lamborghini is and it's now make it yellow what Lamborghini. But in most times they may not even know my product. I can basically snap that my product with a good shot, then copy it here and also what give it to what ChatGPT will now analyze it, and also what use that same image and what do my commercials. Then this particular one now is text to video, right? If you want to do your commercials, I just want to do only text, just copy this, paste it in ChatGPT. The place they wrote what is it? The place they wrote what is it? They wrote product name. Then replace it. That's your product name. Maybe if you want to do maybe a Lamborghini or anything, right? It will now what copy it and what paste it in ChatGPT, right? Then for you to easily access this, okay, let me do, should I even do this? You can basically do any one of your choice. If I want to do that Lamborghini, I can basically what do it. Then I can basically copy this. If I copy this, I will now go back to my ChatGPT. See the other one I created. Now look at the one I did for yellow Lamborghini. If I still want to use the ad, I can basically what use the ad. Then if I still want to go and start a new chat, I can basically what click here and what type here, right, and paste it here. Remember, for you to do this, you have to go back again and replace this with the product you are doing the commercials for. This is basically Nike shoe. Understand? That is the commercial. Because I'm still going to read through whatever ChatGPT you give me here. This whatever it's giving me is not what finance. Then this one is Nike shoe. Then the product's name is Nike shoe. Then best team match, energetic, cinematic, and what futuristic. Then scenes, close up of shoes hitting the ground as dust burst and neon trails ignites, hitting the sole's grip and distance. But this is how this is going to work. Then athletes sprinting on a rain-soaked city street, water splashing in slow motion under dramatic street lights, high speed running shots through a cinematic. This is what basically what the scenes, right? If you read through all of these things and you check every of those commercials, the colors, the backgrounds, and the image, the color of the shoes, how it will show, and all of this, you can basically tell ChatGPT to edit this particular scene. Maybe you can tell it to edit visual style to this particular type of visual style. This primary product parts are this with this particular product parts. Then this camera moves with this particular types of camera moves. Like this can basically what edit it and what give you what you basically actually what wanted, right? If it's okay with you and you are okay with this, you can basically copy this. If you copy this, then you can go to your Google Gemini. This is my Google Gemini. I can basically go to create video, because what I'm creating is what video, not image. I'll paste that particular one. Remember, if you paste the wrong one, it's going to give you the wrong what response. What I pasted is the one that is going to create for us using Nike shoe, and this last one I just analyzed now, right? I'm now going to what click go. It is going to look at this particular prompt that ChatGPT is giving us and now give us our final what response. Remind you, this thing is basically what easy. So if you are the one that should be writing this, you are going to write the camera angles, the camera moves, the suggested keywords, the visual style, the primary product parts, the what is it again, the close-up of the hitting shoes, the scenes and products. You are going to write all of these things. I understand most times you may not even have time to be writing these things. We have like more commercials to do per day, right? There's no way you are going to be writing every of these things for these particular words commercials, right? There's no time for it. So you can basically what devote your time to other things. So you can basically use this my products templates, then create your ads, and that's just ends it, right? Understand? That's how these things works. I'm going to roll out more product template for this. Basically all of these things, but there's no product on this earth that these things can't suffice, unless you need an extra features in the commercials. Like, so this is the product. You can see how the thing went. The image just hit the ground and it splashed. You can see it now. This is a good commercials. This is a cinematic ads for Nike shoe. You can see. Let me even turn on the sound. You can see. You can see this is basically what for Nike shoe, right? So if you need an overlay text, you can basically add your overlay text to this, and that's what just ends it. Then thank you for your time and your